Hello friends, as a civil engineer, if you want to study or learn the subject RCC and want to become a successful structural engineer, then I highly request you to watch this video till the end, because in this video I will explain what are the actual and a practical step to study this subject properly. Here is the first step is study the foundation subject. Basically, to study reinforced cement concrete, you should start with learning basics of foundation. To study foundation properly, I will suggest to read some books. For example, Soil Mechanics and Foundation by B.C. Punimia, and you can get that book from description. I will provide a link for all books which I will refer in this video. In second step, I will recommend that to study cement and concrete. Look, cement and concrete are inherent part of reinforced cement concrete. So I highly recommend you to study thoroughly this subject. For this subject, I personally recommend to read the books like Concrete Technology, Theory and Practice by M.L. Gambhir. You can also read other book, but yes, please give importance to this subject. Now look, if you are following the pattern or following the step, then after following the previous step 1 and step 2, now the step 3 is very easy for you, and now you are actually ready to study the basics of RCC. As I said, please follow the steps, step 1, step 2, and then you can properly understand what actually RCC. So now it's time, in third step, now it's time to study the basics of RCC. Now to study the RCC, there are different books, but I personally suggest 3 books to you. The first one is Limited Theory and Design Reinforced Concrete by Shah and Curve. Okay. The second book is Design of Reinforced Concrete Structure by Raju N.K. While the third one is Reinforced Concrete Structure by B.C. Punmia. You can also refer other book which is with which you are comfortable. Now in the fourth step, you have to study the IS code 456. Now what is meant by IS code 456? Basically, it is an Indian standard code of practice for general structure use of plain and reinforced concrete. So I will highly recommend that for a practical implementation, you should study the IS 456 2000, and it's mandatory for all structural engineer or RCC designer. You can simply download it from description. Okay, now you are done with theory. Basically, now you are ready to practice or implement your study or your knowledge. In this stage, I will recommend that practice, the real meaning of practice is to prepare various kind of and a different kind of designs manually. Look, I am suggesting manual practice. Okay, the reason behind the manual practice is that when you start practicing manually, basically you cover various aspects of this subject, and you will face many kind of problems. And as a good student, or as a curious student, or as a curious designer, structural engineer, in that case you will try to find what is the answer, why I am facing this problem. So yes, I will highly recommend that after getting all basic knowledge and theoretical knowledge, it's really important to practice, because RCC subject is incomplete without practice. Now the final step is actually not a mandatory step to learn the software, but if you want to save time from the manual designing, in that case yes, you should learn the software. There are so many softwares, but I will Indian point of view, I will recommend here 2 software. First one is ETAP and StatPro. Now look, it's your personal choice which software is best for you, but if you want to understand or want to clear this confusion whether which software is perfect for me, in that case I will provide one video in description, and that video will help you to decide which software is perfect for you. But look, I will explain here one very important thing is that learning software is just a skill. Okay, it's not, it will not make you perfect in this subject, because whatever the software you are using, in that software you have to input the data. Okay, you have to input the forces, then various quantities. Okay, in that case the output will directly depend on your input data. Okay, so in that case I will recommend that please go through the theoretical or manual practice first. After that learning software or practicing over software is useful for you. I hope you get the answer how to study RCC in a proper way, okay, in a proper pattern. Now if you want to know what is actually the scenario or situation of RCC career in our India, in that case I will request you to subscribe our channel and please like this video. In the next video we will cover that topic. Thank you.